Samsung plans were really good. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung's plans for Galaxy Z Fold 4 were really good, and previously rumors were right about the S Pen built in, but there is a twist where Samsung needs to change the direction and cancel the plan for it, and it is not confirmed what kind of a charging speed that you are going to get in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Chip shortages all over the world, but we still hope that Samsung will launch the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August 2022, along with the Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Watch 5 with 3 models. Samsung tried its best to make the Z Fold 4 best so far, and it is, but Samsung just missed it with the new decision that Samsung has to make. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 with S Pen or without S Pen. According to the Anthony on Twitter, Samsung Electronics tries to embed S Pen in the hinge of Galaxy Z Fold 4, but abandoned the idea due to the lack of space. It means the previous rumors were right that Samsung is planning to put built-in S Pen in Galaxy Z Fold 4. And with this idea, Samsung didn't need an extra space to put S Pen in Galaxy Z Fold 4. But obviously, hinge is very important in the Galaxy Z Fold 4, so Samsung dropped the idea. But you can expect the new hinge design in the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which will carry the S Pen built in. Meanwhile, he also mentioned that Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to come with a 108 megapixel main lens and 10 megapixel with 3x zoom, just like Galaxy S22 Ultra. According to the ICE Universe, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 will come with 25W of fast charger. And it is no surprise since S22 base model comes with 25W of fast charger. And even though Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 battery isn't that big, but Samsung needs to put at least 45W of fast charging in Galaxy Z Fold 4 as it has 4400 mAh battery. And last year it was the same. Z Fold 3 comes with the 25W of fast charging last year. According to the Anthony, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Flip 4 will potentially the first ever phone to have the Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus, since some of the other companies are thinking of taking other options due to the delays of supply. Either they choose Dimensity 9000 or Snapdragon Gen 1. But Samsung is still sticking with the Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus. Samsung is also introducing the fastest storage UFS 4.0 in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, which will be twice more powerful than the UFS 3.1 and can give you 23.2 gigabit per second speed around the system. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 with S Pen or without S Pen. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.